Receptacle Arc Fault Circuit Interrupter, or AFCI, products are now available on the market. Eltech Inc. has achieved Underwriters Laboratories, or UL, listing for their AFCI receptacle products. These products provide electrical safety solutions. Here are the UL certified AFCI receptacle products offered by Eltech Inc. Firstly, combination type AFCI with file number ET134344. Secondly, outlet branch circuit type AFCI with file number ET132754. Thirdly, outlet circuit type AFCI with file number ET131863. These receptacle AFCIs offer enhanced electrical safety. Arc fault circuit interrupters are designed to protect against electrical fires caused by arc faults. An arc fault is an unintended electrical discharge between two or more conductors. These can occur due to damaged wiring, loose connections, or other insulation failures. AFCIs are designed to detect these arc faults and quickly shut off the power to the circuit, preventing a fire from starting. There are different types of AFCIs, including branch or feeder AFCIs and outlet circuit AFCIs. Branch or feeder AFCIs are installed in the electrical panel to protect the entire branch circuit. Outlet circuit AFCIs, like the receptacle type mentioned, are installed at specific outlets or locations within the circuit. Combination type AFCIs provide both series and parallel arc fault protection. Series arc faults occur when there is a break in a single conductor. Parallel arc faults occur when there is a short circuit between two conductors. The availability of receptacle AFCIs provides an additional layer of protection in electrical installations. By installing these devices at specific outlets, it is possible to protect against arc faults that may occur downstream from the electrical panel. When considering the implementation of receptacle AFCIs, there are several factors to consider. 1. The type of wiring used in the building. 2. The age of the electrical system. 3. The specific hazards present in the area. Older wiring systems may be more susceptible to arc faults due to insulation degradation. Areas with high moisture or flammable materials may also benefit from the additional protection provided by receptacle AFCIs. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, provides requirements for AFCI protection in various locations. It is important to consult the latest version of the NEC to ensure compliance with these requirements. The NEC specifies where AFCIs are required in dwelling units. This often includes bedrooms, living rooms, and other areas. The NEC also addresses the use of AFCIs in other types of occupancies. It is always best to consult with a qualified electrician to determine the appropriate AFCI protection for a specific installation. The installation of receptacle AFCIs is similar to that of standard electrical receptacles. However, it is important to follow the manufacturer's instructions and local electrical codes. The AFCI receptacle must be properly grounded to function correctly. It is also important to test the AFCI receptacle after installation to ensure that it is working properly. This can be done by using the test button on the receptacle. When selecting receptacle AFCI products, it is important to choose a reputable manufacturer and a product that is UL listed. UL listing indicates that the product has been tested and meets safety standards. It is also important to consider the product's features and specifications, such as the trip current and response time. The trip current is the amount of current that will cause the AFCI to trip. The response time is the amount of time it takes for the AFCI to trip after an arc fault is detected. In addition to receptacle AFCIs, there are also AFCI circuit breakers available. AFCI circuit breakers are installed in the electrical panel and provide protection for the entire branch circuit. These circuit breakers are typically more expensive than receptacle AFCIs, but they offer broader protection. The choice between receptacle AFCIs and AFCI circuit breakers depends on the specific needs of the installation. In some cases, a combination of both types of devices may be the best solution. When troubleshooting AFCI problems, it is important to understand the different types of arc faults that can occur. Series arc faults are typically caused by loose connections or broken wires. Parallel arc faults are typically caused by short circuits. Ground faults occur when current flows from a hot conductor to ground. AFCIs are designed to detect all three types of arc faults. If an AFCI trips frequently, it may indicate a problem with the wiring or appliances on the circuit. It is important to investigate the cause of the tripping and correct any problems before resetting the AFCI. In some cases, nuisance tripping can occur due to electrical noise or other factors. If nuisance tripping is a problem, it may be necessary to install a different type of AFCI or to make changes to the wiring. The cost of receptacle AFCIs can vary depending on the manufacturer, features, and specifications. However, the cost of these devices is generally outweighed by the benefits of increased safety. The installation of receptacle AFCIs can help to prevent electrical fires and protect lives and property. The technology behind AFCIs is constantly evolving. Manufacturers are developing new and improved AFCIs with enhanced features and performance. Some of these new features include self-testing capabilities, improved noise immunity, and faster response times. As AFCI technology continues to advance, it is important to stay informed about the latest developments and best practices. This information can help to ensure that electrical installations are as safe as possible. Receptacle AFCIs play a critical role in modern electrical safety. They are designed to protect against electrical fires caused by arc faults. By detecting these arc faults and quickly shutting off the power, AFCIs can prevent fires from starting. The availability of receptacle AFCIs provides an additional layer of protection in electrical installations, supplementing the protection provided by AFCI circuit breakers. These devices are easy to install and test, and they can significantly reduce the risk of electrical fires. Consider the potential benefits of implementing receptacle AFCI devices in electrical installations to enhance safety and compliance. It is essential to consult with qualified electricians and adhere to the latest electrical codes to ensure the proper selection, installation, and maintenance of AFCI devices. Staying informed about the latest AFCI technology and best practices will contribute to safer electrical environments. Electrical safety is a shared responsibility, and by taking proactive measures, everyone can help to prevent electrical fires and protect lives and property. AFCI technology contributes significantly to overall electrical safety. The ongoing development and implementation of AFCI devices are essential for creating safer homes and workplaces. Electrical codes and standards are constantly evolving to incorporate new technologies and address emerging safety concerns. It is important to stay up to date with these changes and to follow the latest recommendations for AFCI protection. Regular inspections and maintenance of electrical systems can help to identify potential hazards and ensure that AFCI devices are functioning properly. If any problems are detected, it is important to address them promptly to prevent electrical fires. In addition to AFCI protection, there are other important electrical safety measures that should be taken. These include using surge protectors to protect against power surges, avoiding overloading electrical circuits, and keeping electrical cords in good condition. It is also important to teach children about electrical safety and to keep electrical outlets and appliances out of reach. Electrical safety is a continuous process that requires ongoing vigilance and attention. By taking the necessary precautions, everyone can help to create a safer electrical environment for themselves and others. The development and availability of receptacle AFCIs represent a significant advancement in electrical safety. These devices provide an additional layer of protection against arc faults, which are a leading cause of electrical fires. By installing receptacle AFCIs in homes and workplaces, it is possible to significantly reduce the risk of electrical fires and protect lives and property. As AFCI technology continues to evolve, it is important to stay informed about the latest developments and best practices. This information can help to ensure that electrical installations are as safe as possible. Electrical safety is a shared responsibility, and by working together, everyone can help to create a safer electrical environment for all. The availability of receptacle AFCIs is a welcome development for electrical safety professionals and homeowners alike. These devices offer a convenient and effective way to protect against arc faults, which are a leading cause of electrical fires. By installing receptacle AFCIs in homes and workplaces, it is possible to significantly reduce the risk of electrical fires and protect lives and property. As AFCI technology continues to evolve, it is important to stay informed about the latest developments and best practices. This information can help to ensure that electrical installations are as safe as possible. Electrical safety is a shared responsibility, and by working together, everyone can help to create a safer electrical environment for all.